Well, welcome to the Old House Owners Workshop Short Fix. The topic that we have for today is how to install spring bronze weather stripping towel.
A common problem with these old windows is the sash just wiggles around a little and it allows air to come through. And that really cuts down on the energy efficiency of these windows. What I want to show you on this segment is a really easy way to add some bronze weather stripping to the sides of your jamb here. That'll not only improve the energy efficiency, will stop some of that rattling around. I bought this stuff at a common hardware store here in town, so enough here to do a few windows. I've already cut in some pieces to fit the size. I just simply measured the distance that I needed here. And it comes with your own screws and everything you need. So what I'm going to do is just fish this end right up alongside of that window sash. There we go. And set it right down on that sill. And it'll sit there until I'm ready to nail it. So I take these little tacks with a needle nose hammer so I don't hammer my thumb. And I'm going to insert these right in the pre-drilled holes and just hammer them right in place. All right, so I have this side in, and I already put this side in. So now I just close the window sash. And that's going to reduce a lot of the air infiltration around this window.
Thank you for joining us. Please follow us on Facebook at OHOW, Old House Owners Workshop.